problem statements, we have refined our targeted demographic to actively aging individuals from the North Shore region, with Event Flash connecting with their local community and increasing their social circle. This was seen throughout our observations that with existing services, it is difficult for our demographic to engage with the outer community, as those platforms itself does not encourage social participation, which can be discouraging and causes an issue of loneliness.
Using a slide for each reference product was impractical as it made it harder to understand all references considered at once and took too long to review individually. The first version for the update used a simple table listing each reference product alongside the prototype, allowing key information to be presented at a glance and in a clear format. The table used for the second update was enhanced with colors, symbols, and reference logos, and most notably included reasoning for why each reference product was chosen for the prototype and how the reference was applied to the finished product.
A new persona that represents any small business owners that would use the application, and she would maybe want it for potential clients or someone to help her in her workshops. Also kept Adam from last sprint and added just a little bit more detail and it changed his location. We have also done the same thing for Irene, and all the personas we've cut down as well. So there was 6 and we've cut it down to 3.
Our hypothesis focuses on improving community engagement for actively aging individuals by offering a newspaper-like design and user-generated content. Users will find it easier to engage with events, contribute posts, and connect with local communities through these features. We aim to create an events page for community activities and marketing opportunities for businesses and a platform for discovering new hobbies organized by businesses or other users. In addition to browsing and posting content, the latest update introduces a volunteer roles feature, allowing users to post or join volunteering opportunities.
Table, we go through the scenario of Leslie wanting to set up her business on Event Flash in order to attract more customers. We see that there are difficulties in how the current features of creating a profile does not fulfill the user's sense of control and freedom, and also the discomfort when viewing the interface and slight confusion with the features on the main page, resulting her in having to recall rather than instant recognition.
A heuristic evaluation for Irene, who is using Event Flash to create a new hairdressing event to share tips and tricks with her local community. She has come across a few issues while creating her event. The key issues here come from flexibility and efficiency of use, and the user's sense of control or freedom, where she realizes she can't save her post as a draft to come back to later, alongside the inability to move back and forth freely between completed steps.
Adam, a retired engineer, faced challenges in finding younger people interested in learning about technology, as the application focused primarily on newly retired individuals. His unique interest in birdwatching also made it difficult for him to discover relevant community events. This lack of tailored content limited his ability to fully engage with the platform.
We observed a mix of responses as expected. Participants generally agreed that the application serves its purpose, though there were mixed reactions about the clarity of the app's objective and overall ease of use. Some users found the app cluttered and challenging at first, particularly when navigating certain functions like swiping, while others felt more confident after some use. Confidence in using the app and clarity were noted as areas for improvement, so moving forward we aim to simplify the user interface and clarify key functionalities to enhance usability and reduce the learning curve experienced by users.
For our mid-fidelity prototype, we've replaced the familiar experience of a newspaper to a volunteering homepage as a main feature. This page allows users to ask for or offer help to their local actively aging community. The volunteering page can be accessed through the right navigation menu. On the landing page, users can choose between looking for volunteers or offering to volunteer. If looking to volunteer, the users will be shown the latest volunteering posts. They can search, filter, and sort results as needed. If looking for volunteers, users will be guided through a post creation process where they will enter a name for the post, select tags, and fill out when, where, and what they need volunteers for. The second main feature is the ability for users to create their own events. This can be accessed through the left sidebar menu, then pressing the plus icon. It follows the same steps as the volunteer post creation process, with the additional step of asking users if they need volunteers for their event. The third main feature is the recommended events homepage, which shows personalized event suggestions based on user preferences and past activity. This page can be accessed through the right navigation menu, and users can bookmark these events to read later in their bookmarked posts.